Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Well, basically my first long form video on my second channel. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you. This is a little tutorial on how to make this little inventory system for Unity. It's fairly simple, and I haven't seen many tutorials on how to make like a working inventory system. So, and this also comes with the player character and just the full system in general. It also comes with the gun that works, and see, you can equip your items in your inventory. You press tab to open it. This is just very simple UI. Nothing's fine. Like, I'll put the link to the package in the description, and you get the gun that works. You can set up the damage and all of that, you know. This is just a placeholder. I did not spend much time on the particle effects or the animation or anything like that. So yeah. Anyways, so what you're gonna want to do. So you're gonna open the package, and you can really just drag in the player. It's go into Prismatic Survival Inventory System, then Player 1. You can just drag it in, and boom. But once that's all set up, if you can change the model in the player body here. I just used a basic Mixamo character. The player body here just has a collider, and then the child of it is the actual model here. Legs. I'm using legs animator just for the legs animation. I should probably remove that because most of you, I don't expect to have it. Anyways, and so the main camera and all that is there. It's it's URP, so just so you know. So if you're trying to make it for yourself, like not use this character and you just want to use the scripts, so the hand transform is where the items will go. Player movement is just the basic movement, and uses a character controller, and then the inventory. These are the different items. You don't really need that there. Items don't have to be there because it will work regardlessly. I don't know why I added that. Anyways, and you can set the max amount of items. Then the UI is here, the inventory panel. It's a grid layout, so it's like a Minecraft style inventory. And so items. So let's say I want to make I already have the cube as a placeholder. Let's say I want to make just some kind of basic item. You can go here where you create the little plus, and then inventory item, and then you can name it. I'm just gonna call it test, and then you can give it the name test. Then you can give it its icon. And then for UI prefab, you want item. It's every time. You just put item. And then prefab, you can just make the model. Yeah, you just make a little model, and then you can put your scripts on it or whatever for like a sword. And I'll show you how that works right now. So let's make it a bean. So first we need to make the world object. So the object that you will put in the world that the player can pick up. So capsule collider will just is trigger, turn that on, and then item pickup. Put that on, and then you just select your test item, drag that in, and boom, you have an item. Now the player can pick that up. And I'm a little lazy, and I don't really want to make any icons, so we'll just do the knob as it. And then now we have the world object, so you can go to world items and then save the prefab. World sword should not be there because sword's broken. It won't be broken, like, I don't have, this scripts isn't broken, I just messed up on the sword. So yeah, you can drag in as a world item, prefab, and then the item prefab is the actual item that will be held in your hand. So we can have this, and then, so I'll put it in here, save it there, and then we have this one. So we remove item pickup and remove the capsule collider, and then I'm gonna set the size down, and I'm not gonna add any scripts, like any animations for when I click it'll swing or anything. This is super, like, this system is very nice, so you can add, like, because if I were to make the world item also the item in your hand, if I were to add an animation when I click, so make it so like the gun would start firing when I click, even if I didn't pick it up, it would start firing. So that's just how it works. This is a pretty, I'd say, modular system. Anyways, you can just put that in here as a model, then go to test, item prefabs, and then capsule 1 as the prefab, and now you can test it. So you place your capsule here, and this also works for like a building system if you want to add like blocks and stuff. There is no stacking, unfortunately. Anyways, so you can go here, boom, it's picked up, click it, you now have a bean. Yeah, you can change some things to make it like fit in the hand better. But otherwise, that's really all I have to show. You can make a cool flashlight with this. Like if I were to go here, point light, no, not a point light, a spotlight. Just about there. And then real time, yep. And you can just do this, and you literally have a flashlight. And you can make your own like script, like for battery, and that won't really affect the inventory or anything. So it's a pretty cool system. Didn't take me too long to set up. Well, maybe a bit longer than I would have hoped for. But anyways, yeah, that's it. You can just click on the link, download the package, and there you go.